Today we're going to remove all the moss and treat with a biocide the left roof. We did do the right roof September 2024. They both did look the same, but now the house on the left has recently been sold. The new owners wish it to look like the one on the right, so they give us a call to see if we can do what we did on theirs. Today's the 31st of May 2025. We're going to remove all the moss and treat the rear of the property today. But you can see the left one, how nice it looks since September 2024. I'm just adding a little clip. You can go to YouTube to watch the video. This is how the left roof was when we started.